Hello. All right. First, we're gonna put some little background music. And then we're gonna go at it. So yeah, I'm using the default burp suit that came with Kali. I'm not gonna update. Gonna use the old version. Old is gold, as they say. All right. Let's adjust a little bit here. Now we can see some stuff. All right. So this is the site. I'll just zoom in a little bit. And okay, let's see. Home. Showing cool dogs on this site. It's like Facebook, but for dog lovers. Login. Register. Login. Let's see. Return a URL. That's interesting. And also this session thing looks kind of interesting. What happens if I just try to log in with, I don't know, admin? Admin. Email. It wants an email. That was a get. This is the post request. We get a token. Email. Password. Override password. What the hell? Shano, can I override your password? Let's send this to the repeater. Can I log in as admin and just putting this as true or something? 1 is true, right? Redirecting. Follow redirection. What am I logged in as now? That parameter does something. Yeah, for sure. Confirm, delete post. What does it look like if we render it? Still looks the same. Now he's giving me tips. It is, however, interesting to see that parameter. And it's like, if you would ever see that, I would try like true and everything pretty much, because it's very sus. it's super sus. All right, let's. Yeah, exactly. But let's try to just register an account. This web application has been made intentionally insecure. Please do not enter any personal information. I'm gonna be admin at barker.com. Obviously. Because that's the best. Test 1234. Pin code 1234. Username admin. Because I like really badly want to be admin. Profile picture. Display name. Let's find some payloads. Payload all the things. This one. As you can see from my Google search, like I've been to reverse shell cheat sheets a lot of times. So yeah, that might tell you a little something of what I normally do when I do these streams. I normally do try hack me and boxes and stuff like that, so reverse shelling all the way. But yeah, probably for this one, I would go with some fun cross-site scriptings. Where's my favorite image tag? XSS. Wait, where are the XSSs for images? No, that's just an image with an XSS. Oh, whoa. Let's try that image as well. Why not? There was an upload, right? Yeah, why not? Think about what file type is considered an image that filters may allow. Yeah. The first time we register, we're just gonna put some image. See what happens. There it was. Welcome to the stream, everybody. We're hacking Barker, the social media platform for dogs, dog lovers. So I want like image something, common payloads. Here we go. Maybe just like SVG onload alert. Just paste that everywhere. This one is disabled, but it looks like it's probably disabled on the user interface. Might be able to do something on that. I didn't like my pin code. It needs to be 8 digits. 5, 6, 7, 8. Super safe. Rival cat company come. Yeah. Oh, and remember me. Yeah. What do you want to tell the world? That I am SVG unload alert. Report. Oh man, where did it come fire from? It's easy. Here. Post. I mean get. I mean post. God damn it. There we go. When we check your post content, it's not reflected as HTML, so it's something else. It's a redirect. Oh shit. Where is it redirecting? To the main page. And then when we get the main page, we can search for SVG. Check your post made. You can see SVG unload alert. So yeah, okay, yeah. That's one of my problems, I guess, is that I put the same payload everywhere. Should probably like have a different payload for different fields to make sure I know where it's actually coming from. So this post number 782 has one of those. I need to make this a bit bigger. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Alert profile name, alert description. Yeah, I should probably do that. Otherwise, there's too many bugs here. So I gotta find the correct place where it's coming from. So if I search for SVG on this page, it's like the profile admin and alt. So that means the alternative text on my profile. But this one seems to be HTML encoded, so it's not this one. God damn it. Go to the next one. There we go. And this one is for my profile. And that one is not HTML encoded. So there we go. And that is then most probably the title. But I can change this, of course, in my profile. So I can go to my profile. Alerting me. God damn it. Yeah, profile. And then let's change this to display name. This one to description. Update profile. Now if we go back home, it doesn't fire off. Click this one, it fires off. So yeah. Your name doesn't execute on your profile, but something else is. Ah. So if we just look at the source code of the page, we can see that description is of the owner admin. Why do you have this kind of stuff in here, dude? JavaScript decrypt password. Seems very sus. It's really nice being in as admin user though. Probably, first of all, that's also something I would probably report. Like I can register admin. What the hell? But yeah, this one is also really cool. Override password, JavaScript decrypt password. Find a way to decode. I'll use my favorite one. So probably a lot of people would use something like the shell and like pipe stuff into it. But my favorite one, because I'm a noob, Cyber Chef. yes. And then usually my first move is magic. Yes. Exactly. It's the best one. Magic, and then it gives you some hints maybe towards towards what is happening. This is like my go-to move when I see encrypted stuff or encoded stuff. Well, pretty much anything, really. That's probably like base 64. And here's another value, which is weird. It's probably worth looking into. Now you need to find the CSRF, retrieve a value, and decode value. Yeah, magic. It is actually, like, magic is more or less what it says. It's like super magic. Sometimes it can do like insane combinations of stuff, which is really cool. So you could have this one and then pull in more stuff here. So if it's like very complicated, you could still find out what it is. But yeah, you can see here that it looks correct. Like base 64 stuff. Yeah, I would probably look into that. But I'm just so excited with this platform that I want to. I mean, I hope it's okay, Sean, if I if I continue finding these cross-site scriptings, because it's kind of like fun. So add reply. I'm gonna pick my favorite one again. Maybe try another one. No, I'll take this one. Reply to myself. Nothing happened. I'm not gonna go into images yet. This one is, the description is still firing off. Feel free to also report your findings. Yeah. At this point, Sean would take notes. Description field, my profile, and then payload. And then elaborate further, probably. I mean, in some cases, I guess, if, let's say, a new asset would open up in a bug bounty program, you would probably want to report your finding as soon as you get it. But if it's an asset that has been there for longer, I would just keep notes of all the findings I have and then write the reports later. Because you're not that much in a rush. Yeah, and if you use Vim, just make sure you know how to exit. So you don't have to, reset your BIOS and stuff like that. Oh, look at all these cute dogs. Add your dog. Ooh. My dog's name is a cross-site scripting payload. I don't know what your dog's name is, but mine is. And the age is -1. The breed. For now, it's just gonna be an Afghan hound. Provide a URL to an image. Smells like sea surf or something else. Actually have it. I've used a canary token in a similar field sometimes, so it takes me to canarytokens.com. I don't know if that's still available. I'm just gonna submit this, see what happens. Well, let's just put 1. Nothing seems to fire off on that note, but since there was a lot of like client-side JavaScript not allowing me to post stuff that I wanted, I'm just gonna grab that post, send it to the repeater, and then add some more payloads, because that's how I roll. File name. All right, let's rename some of these. Age, breed, file name, file content. I'm not gonna touch that one yet, I guess. 302, follow redirection, render. Oh, is it server side? Is it actually checking that server side? That's no fun. Ah, man. Now we need to go back. Let's put the age back to 1. Follow redirect. Now it's okay. An image of a dog must be provided. I didn't like my image. .png. And then what I like to do is get the magic bytes. Magic bytes PNG. PNG. Oops. Went too far. And then of course we can take this to our favorite tool. From Hex, I think. There we go. And where was it? There. Add that so it believes it's a PNG. It didn't like that image either. What was my original image? Because that one was okay, I think. I guess no, it wasn't. We can refresh this one. I didn't have anything on that one. Was it here? No, it's this one. If we just put nothing in the file, it should be okay. Maybe. Follow redirection. Oh, the age was still there. Let's put 1. Still complaining about the image? God damn it. Let's do it through the browser then. Dog name. Not gonna change that. I'll use this thingy to get an image of nothing. Thanks, Sean. All right. So there you heard it. if anyone wants. So yeah, Sean is giving out stuff. I'll pick you later. You probably have to do some backflips or something to get them. It's actually this endpoint here when you enter like a URL. This endpoint, this endpoint actually does the image URL, like the fetching of the image. And in this case, even an HTML file, like it will go to an HTML file. I would probably look into sure. Thanks, Sean. So I would probably look into this endpoint. Upload image from URL, because that one is really sus. If we use like gaming terms, it's very suspicious. So I mean, in this case, it fetched an image from an HTML page. And you can actually see the name here as well. And the response is also very suspicious. And this path is actually also very suspicious. Why is everything so suspicious? Oh man. The session, yeah. This one also looks sus, yeah. So I would probably look at that one as well. Just throw it in the best decoder ever. And then do some magic. And you can see it's also base 64 encoded. So actually, you probably would need to, if we remove this one, do it like this so you can see it. You could probably take the value here. And then the IV. So IV is like, in general, IV is in general used as a sort of, I don't know what it's called, but like certain decryption algorithms actually utilize IV and MAC to decrypt stuff and encrypt stuff. So you could look into how this is really created, because what is one typical like that actually? Let's go here, encryption, encoding. I don't remember them by heart, but I have too many recipes here. Go away. When I'm zoomed in too much like this, it's hard to get these away from here. Oh, but I can use this one. Clear recipe, yeah. So yeah, some of these, yeah, initialization vector, exactly, yes. And then the MAC is, what the hell was MAC actually? Yeah, for beginners, CyberChef is amazing for this kind of stuff. Just looking at these encrypted strings and and so forth, you'll find a lot of cool stuff. And actually, you might see that this one looks base 64 encoded as well. Or something else. Is that encoded as well? We could do magic on it. Magic? That's probably not. Yeah, and if you're like, oh no, CyberChef doesn't find it out. Let's click intensive mode. And then it starts like going even crazier. And then you actually sometimes might end up with something awesome. Like Chinese. It could be actually Chinese, who knows. But yeah, then you get, in this case, we get a shit ton of results. All kinds of different recipes. You can see on the left side here, it's like, what recipe did it try? So then if you see some like words and stuff, you might be onto something. Where was I? Dogs. My dog. Oh yeah, that reminds me actually. Could there be hidden dogs? Probably not, right? Would it make sense? Or would it? Patrice S. Can we see that dog anywhere? Dog 4. But anyway. Yeah. All right. We've already found a lot of very sus stuff. What is settings? Old password, new password. Whoops. Old password, new password stuff. What about profile? Kind of want to get a feel of how this thing works. So I can like click on dogs. I can click on the owner. And then I see posts from that. And I'm running like this their search. Why do we go manually? Oh, well, yeah. Well, I would normally, but I just don't want to get like rate limited or anything. So I would normally use something like Puff to do that. But in this case, today we're going super manual. Mega manual. So what happens if I like this one? What's happening on the background? Like 510. Method post. By the way, this remember web token is also very sus. Very sus. But yeah, so if we like something, it will go to this, and then the ID of, this case, the post most probably will be added there. So we can make a script to like everything, I guess, because we're so likable people. So we could like number 1, of course. It already has 3 likes. All right. That's something we can do. We can reply to every post. And we can add an image on every post as well. I'm sus. Everything is sus. This whole service is sus. And on this one, we can also add an image. So I think we need to add an image with like this, and then actually let's change the name of the image to a very sus svg onload.png. Might have to actually Linux doesn't like that either. So let's do it like this instead. We're gonna create a post. It's gonna be test. And we're gonna pick this file like so. And then we're gonna, oops. We're gonna intercept. Because it's all about the intercept. Intercepting the sus stuff. Did I add the image already? I think so. It's like weird, there's no like indication of me doing that. And then we intercept this. And here, that's gonna be the file name. Let's try that. Forward. Nope. No fiery. No fiery for you, eh? What else do we have here? Private communities. Group 7 is private. Group 5 is private. Group 10 is public. Group 8 requires admin approval to join. Well, I'm admin. Shouldn't that be okay then? Join? Even if your username is admin, you can't join. However, you can see it because it's public. Okay, these groups are weird. But on this one, can we access it? No, only approved members can view posts. Okay. I'm pretty sure that we can view private posts. just by changing the number. 2, 3, etc. But we would have to find a sus post. Have you checked it's not hidden in the front end only? These groups, you mean? Oh yeah, by the way, sus. Very sus. Very, very sus stuff. I don't think we need this stuff that Patrice was working on anymore. I think you might not need it, but we hackers might. So that's a nice sus thing as well. Load more. I like how you guys are like taking this sus thing to heart. God damn it. Did I start like a sus trend or something? Thing? I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't spread too far. Otherwise we're gonna start seeing this on Twitter. What? March hare. It was the white rabbit who said in a very little besides she, and I'm... What? Hidden. Input hidden. So I think actually in burp suit, wasn't there... I'm good, man. We're welcome, DJ Matter. It's good. Does anyone remember the setting in burp where you could unhide hidden fields? Hidden fields from any page, basically. Was it like a setting? Options. Was it on proxy options? Yes, unhide hidden form fields. And why not prominently highlight unhidden fields as well? Did that work straight in the browser here as well? When if I, let's say I reload this page? Yeah. You always use that feature? Yeah. Hidden field. Very sus. No, it's not the built-in browser. Not us. CSRF token. Yeah, probably. It's not the built-in browser, but burp is intercepting everything. So burp is unhiding it. So it's like changing the requests as they come and go. Very sus stuff. Even in private groups, you're able to join. So you probably find out a way to join even though... Oh, this one is staff, by the way. Very sus. Yeah, that feature is helpful. In some cases, but viewing the source is always a good idea. Tips, what is this? Some kind of weird tips. Write the scraper and try each owner's dog name as the password. You know, I think for a page like this, I would probably use something like cool. So just to quickly create a word list specific to this site. Probably go something like that. This cool utility is super useful. Cool. It's very cool to create word lists out of a page. You can see it's like grabbing all the dog names and all that stuff. And you could put that in a nice word list. But really, for this page, if let's say this is a bug bounty target, you should not start brute forcing passwords and stuff like that. So not cool. Just saying. But you could use that to, for example, find directories and stuff like that. Or users. To see if you can access users you're not supposed to. SQL injection on page. Yeah, actually that's on the tips. Yeah, here, because you can have the pagination. Sleep 1500. Most likely not. It's kind of like not waiting. Wait, I had or sleep. God damn it. Isn't it and sleep? Yeah, but anyway. Do it manually so you can stream for a few more hours. Shut up. All right. You guys are messing me up. Woof woof admin. So what if I just go to admin actually? Not found. Okay. What haven't I looked at this page yet? I've been to home, communities. Oh, I can also create communities. Well, that's a cross-site scripting just waiting to be happen, isn't it? It's just waiting for us right there. Oh yeah. 100%. But which field was it? No, I did the same thing again, right? So let's rename this. Group name. Group name. Where did I put group name in both? Yeah, reports, exactly. This was not, this was the group description. Yes. It's not firing anymore? Pretty sure it was from the description. I just bricked it up some. Sus. Very sus. There's no space there. Did I enter some weird characters somewhere? Because I'm an idiot. I did. Yeah, so. Group name? Yeah. As soon as I edit that one, actually, there. Or, yeah, maybe like a space. So maybe the space is the problem. Yeah, the space is the problem. So if you have a space there, it doesn't work. But if you don't, you're good. Report. Report. Where's my notes? Group name. Group name. And then maybe like mention if I have a space, it won't work. As a comment. Ooh, baby. That was the second one. Second cross-site scripting, I think. So from the program I run, that would be $200 already in 1 hour. Nice. Nice. So probably at this point, I would just go chilling, you know, buy some beer. Normally. You know, because that's what you do when you find cross-site scriptings. You earn a couple of $100, then you go grab a nice cold brewski. Chill out for the rest of the day. You're good. Or maybe you actually do more. But yeah, it just depends on the person, I guess. Anyway, let's try this. Adding the dog again. Dog name. So actually we noticed in that one, if you put a space here, you might get screwed over. So let's try the dog name. Oh, bloodhound. What? Yeah, Visma's program on integrity. So yeah, I'm from Visma. Corpo hacker from Visma. Visma. The Nordic kings. The kings of the north. Let's upload that image. I kind of want to intercept again just so I can change the file name. See if that'll give me some good juice. File Name. Yes. Forward. Yeah, it actually doesn't display the file name here at all. And if you hover over this one, it will show the file name, I guess. So you can see like SVG unload alert dog name. It will show the dog name in the mouse over. But nothing happens, so all the sus stuff. Yeah. Might also show up on the dogs page of the list. Yeah. And you can also see that there's a hidden method called delete. Thing is, like, if I remove this dog, can I remove anyone's dog? It's like the first thing that pops into my mind. Can I remove everyone's dogs? I think it's this post request. Method delete. And then there's just the dog, the number of the dog. And what did it return? It gives a 302. It redirects. And then it gets something. So yeah, probably let's just try to delete dog number 1. Forbidden. Monster, why would you want to remove dogs? Because I'm sus. That's why. I mean, I wouldn't normally, probably. I don't just generally delete dogs. I mean, but you know, it's interesting to see. This action is unauthorized. Okay, you're safe, doggy boy. Doggy dog. That's good. Dreamers. A cat impersonating a human. Yeah, trying to delete dogs. Oh man. Oh gee. You guys. Oh yeah. Let's try one more time. Let's see what happens when we go to the dog page. If we intercept it again. And then change the file name to our favorite cross-site scripting payload forward. Where is our dog? Oh, look. What is that dog? That dog's picture is SVG unload alert. That was dog number 153. Clara Bell, you look kind of sus as well. This one is probably also mine. But nothing fired off on that one. it's kind of weird. How does it create these thumbnails? Actually, that's also a question. So if we look at the page source, this one is HTML encoded, so that will not fire off. It's like the alternative text for the picture. But also, I think there's some kind of weird stuff going on here as well. Because actually, dog number 153 is directly in storage. There's no like dog. Like all the other ones have dogs and then the file name. This one doesn't. That might be because of the / in the payload. Or something else in the payload. Where is this? That might be something to look into. Because it's only like all the other pictures are in storage dogs except this one. That is super sus. Shush. Can't even talk anymore. Too excited. Yeah, these are all thumbnails as well, so I didn't send in a thumbnail, so there's obviously some processing going on. I actually have a picture with a reverse shell. That could also be interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna save this for later. Add in dogs with XSS might make the image of the dog be stored one directory higher up. Yeah, likely the slash. It's very sus. I don't trust whoever is the admin of this or the developer of this to keep my data safe. So it's probably in the name of the image as well. Let's try something fun. Where's the post? I mean the upload image. So if I upload this one, here is the storage, and yeah, okay. So / doesn't impact. What about .php / Still JPEG. Backward slash. Backward slash. Percentage 00. Percentage 0A. That didn't work. And what if I just put like cross-site scriptings in the file itself? So let's upload a dog. Doggy G. Doggy G. Is it Bloodhound? I think at this point, actually, when you upload this image, yeah, it does this there, right? And then when I submit, it will use like the return stuff from that request. Doggy J, the legend. It will still use this stuff here. Let's try and post some fun shit. Let's put remove all this crap all the way to there. And then we take first the favorite payload. Image. Will it like that? Is that okay? I reckon that's alright then. I reckon. Where can we see the newest dogs? What I don't like about repeater is I don't get this into the history. I was complaining that the image must be provided. Okay. Oh yeah, I tried that actually earlier. Yeah. Forgot about that. Put feature Doggy G on my profile. Yes. What does that do? Feature dog. If you look at this profile, 52, feature dog 154. This is very sus. Can I put that same on profile 51? It says okay. What? All right, now I have to find profile, what was it? 154? Can I just go like profile 154? No. Whose profile is number 154? God damn it. It did go somewhere, probably. Yeah, it would probably be best to create another account and then put, like, feature the other guy's dog on my account, basically. So actually, if we look back at this, no, 51 was the 52 is the user I'm using. All right. So if I log this out, I register a new account, admin at BARKER social.com, obviously. Password test1234, test 1234, pin code 123456778. Username is Doggy G. Appearance something, and then register. I should be logged in immediately, right? Yes. So if I do the same, do I have to add a dog to be able to have that button? I'll just add some dog. A bloodhound. A what? Yeah. I'm Steph. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's a good point, dude. I am Steph now. By design. Yeah, because last time I was just looking at this one when I tried to come up with an email address. This time I looked at the URL. App settings. Oh. Well, would you look at that? That's probably something worth reporting. Doggy G is a legendary staff member now. Very sus. Probably you guys would call it like hacker or something, right? What would you call your admin? Your hacker admin. But yeah, I was supposed to test this dog thing. Now you threw me off, man. I mean, we're staff. I get it. It's cool. It's fine. We might probably have to make a note of that, actually. Register user as admin at barkersocial.com. Staff member. What extension shows the hidden fields? that is just a burp option. So if you go to proxy options, response modification, unhide hidden form fields. Very cool. I like. I don't like those hidden fields. I want to see them. Yeah. Right. What was I doing? You guys are throwing me off all the time. What the hell? Yeah, and it will show you. So if you use burp in any browser, it will show you the hidden fields. Because it's cool. And it will highlight them as well. Because you need to see those tokens. So Doggy G has a dog called Doggy P. Okay. And the age of that one is 1. And of course, it's also a bloodhound. And last time, I think I put a too large picture, 2.9 megs. Which created a problem of entity too large. And that's actually also something that would be a good idea to look into. If you can make it do something weird. Right, so if I take this dog now and I feature it on my profile, that just gives me like the profile number here. So let's see what we got. 52 was the previous user, and now it's 53. So send to repeater. We're gonna put feature dog 155. Ooh. Let's put 1. Let's put 1. Profile 52 will have feature dog 1. Forbidden. Ooh. Ooh. And 51. Forbidden. On the previous one, it was allowed. Dude, I've been doing it wrong for like a year. Now there's nothing, there's no doing wrong. Yeah, let's try the different dog. 155 on profile 52. That'll work. Most probably, and 51, why not? Yeah. That'll actually work. It's just, why is feature dog 1? Well, maybe there's something weird about feature dog 1. Okay, so if we log out and we log in again as admin at barker.com, test 1234, I think was the password. And then we look at my profile. And it's Doggy P. I can feature my dog on others' profiles. Very sus. A quick tip: to send request to repeater, Control R, and switch to repeater from anywhere in burp, Control Shift R. Yeah, but I'm an old guy, and my past experience, I was a Windows dude. I'm not used to keyboard stuff. I'm learning slowly all the keyboard stuff. But yes. So this endpoint has IDOR. Very sus. Feature your dog on everyone else's profile. Because, and this, from where am I? I'm from Finland. Or Winland, as we like to call it, because, yeah, Finland is the best. But yeah, here's a tip. If you're a bug bounty hunter and you send in reports, these triaging people, they're seeing a lot of reports and stuff. So if you, let's say you want to be a little bit creative, then you might say on your report something like, feature your dog on everyone else's profile because your dog is cuter than everyone else's. This is how your super cute dog can be featured on everyone else's profile. Wagging its tail, and you can go like crazier, have memes and stuff to let the triagers have some fun. That's a nice tip. Spread the joy, you know? And because you're innovating anyway, when you're hacking, I mean, hacking is in one way innovation. Innovate in your reports as well. It doesn't need to be in the title. It can be in the description. And you can add pictures and stuff. And probably like the dog that you would feature on everyone's profile would be like a funny meme of a dog or something. You know? That's probably something I would do if it was a real program. You know? A dog eye emoji, yeah, yeah, exactly, yeah. Let them have some fun. I've seen for a fact that if your report is really good and also funny, you might get a bonus because you might make their day. Who knows? You know? Convert the whole report to a binary. I love it, yeah. You use a cat as a profile picture for Barker? That's just evil, man. No, it's not. I mean, dogs and cats can be buddies too, right? But yeah, how many bugs have we found so far? 2 cross-site scriptings, and then we found a sus thing here. And then we could log in as staff. And then we found an IDOR. That's pretty good so far. 4 and 1 sus thing. Sus things are good too, you know. Oh, and also, of course, yeah, the cookies, they were very sus. All them cookies. The Barker session. The CSurf token. And these methods actually are very sus as well. Maybe in this token. Although that token is probably not that sus. It's just a CSurf token. But if that token is something else on some other page, it might be sus. The severity of the IDOR, only 107 bucks to go. Yeah, so Sean told me I could give 3 free memberships, so to his thing, to bugbountyhacker.hunter.com. So we'll have a raffle or something at the end. I don't know. I'll pick some of you guys if you don't have it, if you don't have the membership yet. And yeah, the severity for the IDOR, this type of an IDOR, it's hard to say, probably somewhere like low and medium, around there. It really depends. Like, I think if you could take it further and not just upload your dog's picture on everyone's profile, but instead have like the picture and something like JavaScript firing off on everyone's profile, that would be good. That would be like really good. So I would probably try to do that. So try to upload a picture that actually fires off something on everyone's profile. It really goes back to like the MySpace thing, you know, like the guy who hacked MySpace and basically made everyone his friends and stuff like that. So then it would probably go like critical on most programs if you could do that. That would be like payout day. Yeah, Samicom Cars Epic Worm, exactly. Yes. Because you have like an IDOR where you can pin something to everyone else's profile. And if you can pin, in addition to just a picture, like just pinning a picture is not that bad. But if you can pin a picture with, or like a payload that happens on everyone's profile, then that's bad. That's really bad. That would be like a big payout. Sammy Camcar Worm style max payout almost, probably. Probably max payout for most programs, I would say. So yes. Maybe we should go back as the staff dude. What was it again? Admin at barkersocial.com, as in the URL. The address. Test 1 2 3 4. Super awesome password. So actually now, what I would do also in this case, yeah, just the stored cross-site scripting in itself is not necessarily bad. Depends kind of where it is. If you would be able to have everyone's profile, you know, fired off, then it's pretty bad. But so now that we were able to log in as staff members, we can start seeing stuff like, you know, directories that we're not supposed to access. So probably you would want to, at this point, log out again, actually. And log in as the other guy again. Admin at barker.com. And try to go to app settings. App setting. App. I can't type. Setting. Unauthorized. That didn't work. But that's another kind of thing that would be worth trying, because now you have like a hidden directory type of thing. On the homepage, what is the field with JavaScript in the middle? Looks like another plugin. This one on the top here. If you mean this one, that's just a CSRF token, probably. At the bottom. At the bottom where? Okay, maybe I misunderstood. Oh, Nightbot is being so... What? I'll just unban you. I don't think you were... Unban... Sue... Oh, never mind. You didn't get banned. Okay, yeah. Nightbot is being... He's in a bad mood. Or she. I don't know. He or she is in a bad mood. Yeah, Nightbot. Patch. Patch is very sus. By the way. As a method. Can I patch another profile? Profile 52. Just decrease the number by 1. Sus hacker. Why am I using this sus thing all the time? Gonna bite me back in the ass, isn't it? Anyway, let's try and patch someone else's profile. It might have been okay. Another IDOR, or it will give me an error. Wait. Hold up. Hold up. Did it work? Did sus hacker appear here? Update other people's profiles. Update other people's profiles. Change their names to something better. Like sus. Like Ziano. Very sus dude. And then you grab this and you explain how if you go to the profile page, update your own profile. Yeah. Then you have another IDOR. And this is again where you party. It's very cool. It's very cool. IDOR. IDOR. Privilege access. Or escalation, I mean. Group name, cross-site scripting. Description, cross-site scripting. Sing a song too. Toss a coin to your hacker. The Valley of Plenty. The Valley of Plenty. Ooh. That's from The Witcher, the series. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. That one was just sus. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buggies. 5 already. Lots of nice fighting. Oh, thanks. I've been a busy bee. Barker is love, Barker is life. Yeah. It's actually so much fun. I think we've earned over $1,000 already in bounties. So it's been a good day. At this point, it's almost like take some rest, you know? Yeah. I'm already addicted. You bastard. But yeah, at this point, I think we could probably start wrapping up. And wrapping it up means Sean had some free memberships to give out, I guess. So 3 of you will, I think it was 3, right? The 3 persons who don't have a bugbountyhunter.com membership yet. The one with 5, okay. All right, let's do 5. All right, so the 5 people who have the best joke that I like and Sean likes will get the membership. And it has to be related to like a report or something. Like if you don't have a membership, throw in some report, like awesome report titles that includes puns or jokes or something. Be creative, because we as hackers need to be creative. And don't mess with Nightbot. Nightbot is very angry today. I know a lot of people are thinking like, what would be a good title for an awesome report? Too hard task. You're all members. Okay. Well, if you're not a member, hit me up on Twitter, and we'll hook you up with a membership. But yeah, that was it for today, and this is kind of my approach. I question everything. I just try a lot of inputs, weird inputs. And you can see like we did everything manually, and we still got like 5. So it's pretty good. Heisenberg. Yeah. Yeah, just hit Sean up and he'll give you some nice memberships. But yeah, that's it for today. Let's get some barkings in the chat and let's go out with a barking bang. Woof, woof. Meow. Someone catch that guy. One of you guys catch him. All right, this has been great fun. Thank you guys so much for joining. I had a blast. Yeah, I stream every day actually now. I don't know how much more Barker I can do, but I'm doing Try Hack Me every day or something else every day. So woof woof, bark bark. See you later, guys. Thank you so much. Turn on subscribing, donos, whatnot. Yeah, someday maybe. Now it's all for the fam. Thank you guys and catch you later.